Updating your billing information on Bybit is essential for ensuring that your transactions and account details are accurate. Follow these steps to easily update your billing information. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bybit website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with your billing information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile icon or name. Step 3. Access billing information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Billing or Payment Information section. Click on this option to view your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. In the Billing Information section, you will see fields for your payment methods and billing address. Update the necessary fields with your new information and ensure everything is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Make sure to review updated information periodically to avoid any issues with transactions. Keeping your billing information current is crucial for a smooth experience on the platform.